Good Handyman back with another video. Today I'm going to do a little review. It's the Marshalltown 8.5 inch flooring cross cutter. This particular piece I bought because, as you see, I'm getting ready to do a laminate floor, and I just didn't want to have to deal with all of the dust from using a circular saw. So I went online and I said, I wonder, is there anything I can get that'll help me do this task that I need done. For a quick search, I found this online and I wanted to do a little review on it to see how it works. Nobody ever mentioned that I had to put it together, but we'll figure it out. We'll get there. I'm not sure if I got all the tools to do this today or not, but it comes with a book, and that's about everything it comes with. It comes with a handle, comes with a blade, comes with this piece right here, it comes with this piece right here, which I guess this is a piece that you put on the floor so you can keep your laminate level when you slice down on it. And then it's got these two screws right here. So I'm going to analyze how to put this together, and we're going to cut to. You guys get the gist of it. Wait a minute. That's not the way it goes. This way. That's the way it goes right there. Right there. You can get it along here. And that cuts it right there. So, that's the way it goes. I think there's some screws or something missing from this thing. And I do have another bolt and screw. So might still be around. I don't see it. There it is. More stuff in here. There we go. There it is. Right here. I'm not seeing the washers in here. I want to see how this laminate cutter actually stacks up. So what I'm going to do here, that's the wrong side. First you have to get it on the right side. So this is the right side. Alright? And then you have to make it so when you cut it, you have to make it so you don't cut too much off of it. So that means you're more than likely going to have to measure it the other way, right? You're going to have to measure it the other way. So I need to go back about this far in there. We have the cutter ready to go. We have the towel ready to go. So what we'll do, I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to measure it on the opposite side. Not the side I need, but the opposite side. I'm going to measure it on this side and then I'm going to cut 2 1/4 off the opposite side. So I'm going to grab this side. Two 1/4 here. Two 1/4 here. All right. Then I'm going to take a square. Set it up here where I did my first mark at. And just go across like that. And then I'm going to take tile cutter. Place it on the plate here. Line it up. Make sure it's flush. Make sure I got the right side that I want. I'm taking off. Make sure it's lined up correctly. Boom. Right? Take this piece. And seems like it might be a little short, but that's okay because I'm gonna it's okay because I'm gonna take that molding up. I just want to show you guys how it works as well, you know, and go from there. I can always use it on this piece, so it's not a problem. It actually fits this piece better, so I'll just use it here where it goes underneath the molding. There you go. And I'll just cut another piece there. No big deal. No big deal. See how the other piece right here was a little short? And they were really close to the same size. So I just wanted to show you guys the rest of this video because my battery had died. So I'm about a 1/4 inch short. So for this one I got plenty. I can just stick it under there, pull it out as much as I want to. And I'm trying to do this without taking off the molding, because that's what most people do. They take the molding off, and then when they take the molding off, then all they got to do is they'll have that space to work with on the end and be able to knock it into the other piece. But I'm going to use the mallet and a couple of tricks and get that done. So handyman, it's Grind Time Media. Please share this video, like and subscribe. It's how to use the tile cutter. The Marshalltown cutter. Works pretty good. It'll keep you from having to, you know, I had a little bit of problem with the bolts earlier in the video, but it'll keep you from having to have all that sawdust and stuff, you know. Well, anyway, thanks for watching.
Baby. Yeah. Studio 9. Tony Tracks, where you at? Come on, so chill. Before your ass gets shot, run up in the crib, everybody drop. Don't make a move, no, I got the thing cocked. Tell the dope boy, get the money out the spot. My life, far from a love flick, more like Sid and Nancy on that late night. Don't fix my knife to a neck, like I love you, just don't trip. Destiny, something you snatched from me, calm as a bitch. Asking myself why you made me think like this, and how the fuck you make me feel so sick. Another loss while contemplating slitting his wrist. But who am I if I so easily give in to this bitch? Not put up with this shit and buckle under the grip. Beating the concrete, breaking only my fist. No matter how hard I hit, she got a hold on the kid. And all the tears don't substitute to all the pain that I live. The gratitude don't equal up to all the things that I give. So fuck you, fuck her, and all of the fibs. All the time she lied to me, all the Indian gifts. What the fuck I gotta do to beat my wife and kids? So chill, before your ass gets shot. Run up in the bank, everybody drop. Tell the bank, tell her put the money through the slot. Heading out the door, double back on the block. My life.